Hey, I just want to be an influencer really quick. I've had this package for a while and I've just not opened it, so I'm gonna open it here. Find your groove. So groovy. These are all the products. And then the main bag. There's a dent right there. But other than that, it looks fine. Dude. Okay. First, Repair Bond Rescue Plex Concentrated Hydrating Mask. It's from Mark Anthony and it's actually for your hair. Next, this tapered crease brush. I don't know how to use it because I never use brushes. I use my fingers for everything. But I want to learn how to be like a makeup girly. So this looks pretty. Beauty for real. It says Twilight. Bella, where the hell have you been, Loca? Then, Amazonian Clay by Tarte. Foundation. I love, last but not least, La Vida, inspired by nature. Spearmint, cinnamon, and salicylic acid. Thera, intensive clarifying gel wash. This is in Hebrew, I think, for a combination to oily skin. So, all 5 products, everything looks pretty promising except for the foundation, just because I don't know if it's really gonna match my skin tone. And the bag is groovy and cutesy. So let's learn about them. The foundation is a whipped mousse foundation. The hair mask is for damaged hair. Okay, the tapered crease is an eyeshadow brush for the crease area, obviously. Oh, that's not a lip gloss. That was a liquid eyeshadow in Twilight. I have never used a liquid eyeshadow. Apparently, the clarifying gel wash is a lotion. Okay, bye. He smells like Fritos.